Okay, hello student. Good afternoon, everybody. We had studied different types of patterns, different types of materials used for pattern making, and we have also seen the different types of pattern allowances in last lecture. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss about the color coding for pattern. Color coding means after manufacturing or preparing pattern, they are going to code it or color it by some different color. It may be red, it may be black, it may be yellow, or no color is there. So what does that color will indicate, and for what purpose the color coding is to be required on pattern. So if you look into this color coding for pattern, so basic point comes into your mind is that why coding is required, why color coding is required. So color coding is required to differentiate different types of pattern parts of different this pattern. So to distinguish those for different purposes, what is the purpose of differentiating this part is this is a pattern and this part is called as a core paint. Core paint is used to support this pattern in the mold cavity. So that's why core paint is used at one end, another core paint is used on another end, that is color coded with yellow colors. And this portion is supposed colored with red colors, and this portion colored with black color. And there is no, if I cut this pattern, so no color is there on the parting surface. So these are the various different types of color. These are the various different types of colors. So you know that, you understand that what color is coding is required. Why it is required? To distinguish or to differentiate different parts of pattern, different parts of patterns for different purposes. For different purposes means if red color is there, so this particular portion will require machining. So you may carry out milling operation, shaping operation, planing or turning operation. So milling, turning, planing or shaping operation is to be carried out on this surface. That's why it is marked with red color. It is coded with red color. So that is the machine surface. If the red color is applied on the panel, that surface indicates that there must be machining will be required on that particular surface. If it is painted with black color, then that black color will indicate that that is unmachined surface. Means no machining is required. You keep that part as it is after casting. Means you need not to go for any filing, any milling, any turning or any machining operations. So that this portion indicate and marked with black color. So this portion does not require any machining processes. So this is the unfinished surface. You keep this surface as it is after casting. And if it is marked with yellow color, means this portion marked with yellow color, this portion is also marked with yellow colors. It indicates that it is a core print or core. Core means to produce a hollow workpiece. So you require a core. We will see in next figure that this is the final product. This doesn't have any hole. This is the solid final product, casted product. So there is no core required in this case. Only two core prints are required for support. To support this pattern in the mold cavity, so these two core prints are required, and that core prints are marked with yellow colors. That will indicate that the yellow color indicates that this portion is core print. After casting this, you cut this core print, but from this portion, you will have the final casted product. So what does yellow color will indicate? That that will indicate that there is a core print. And no color. If no color is marked, means this is the parting surface. If I cut this from the center, so I will get this type of figure. So that will indicate that on this surface there is no color, there is no any requirement, but only cutting is to be done there. Only cutting is required. So this is all about the color coding for patterns. So if core is there, if hollow portion is there, So that core is made up of from sand and it is suppose fixed with this, and it is marked with this yellow color. So this will indicate that this is the hello hole is there. So after casting, you will have this product. So there is a hole in this product. So this portion will indicate it is a core. So core is used to produce a hollow workpiece, hollow casted product. Means the product or the part is having a hole inside it. So that is the core. After casting, you remove this core, you cut this core print, and you will have this final casted product. So this is all about the color coding of patterns. Why it is required? Why color coding is required? To distinguish or differentiate different parts of the pattern for different purposes. And there are four colors. Red color is, if it is painted with the red color, that will indicate that there is a machining is to be required, some finishing is required. If it is painted with black, no machining is required. If it is painted with yellow, means there is a corporate or core is there that is painted with yellow colors. And if there is no color, then there is no need of machining also. So this is all about the color coding of patterns. Okay, thank you.